Every meal tells a story, and every working woman is a culinary hero. What I think is, even if you know to cook or you don't know to cook, I will be sharing some recipes which make your life easier, and also share my journey, how I keep, my interest in cooking alive with working as a full time working mom. Try out different things. Hope you like it. So, this is a new channel, Slice and Dice. Basically, I'm a working mom and I'm trying to upload the everyday kitchen routine which I, do for my family. Those are the short, simple recipes sometimes which you can manage every day to cook, or it might be something which is, bit more effort and you can do over the weekends. So for me, it is really, really a good thing that you guys watch it and let me know the feedback. So, as we are ending the video, please, bear with me as this is my first upload, and I would really like to know the feedback about what you would like me to change, or any other tips and tricks related to my video, or you want more details, less details, anything. Bye.